Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Stephanie, but you can call me Steph. So today's vlog is going to be a little different now that we're back from our Disney trip. If you haven't checked that vlog out, I'll put the link here below in the description where you could check that vlog. Today is going to be a little different because I'm doing a cleaning, organizing kind of day. I'm the type of person that if my house is not organized or it's not clean, I cannot get other things done. I don't know if I'm the only one. Do you guys feel the same way? My brain is messy when my house is messy.
I can't.
I don't know if that's something that you also guys can relate. So I'm like, let's just do a fun motivational video of just me organizing and cleaning, and maybe that can help you get into the mood. Ready to start Monday, clean, reset, and there's a lot of laundry I need to do. So if you're having that rough week or had a rough week, hopefully this video could inspire you and motivate you. By the way, I forgot the most important thing to help me with this cleaning and organizing day. Some iced coffee. It's morning time and I need to get in that caffeine so I can have the energy, and iced coffee tastes so good. Are you ready? Are you gonna be cleaning and organizing with me? If you are, let me know. Comment if you did. Let's go. This area is our main living room area, family room. I don't know how else to call it, because we technically have two, because the one in the front is just pretty. No one really sits there unless we have like guests or something like that. But this is where we're mainly at. So I'm just gonna wash certain things that I have here to keep the couch clean, because we do have dogs, so I have things to kind of make sure that the sofa doesn't get ruined. I did wash the covers of this sofa not too long ago, so I don't need to do that. I do get a lint roller and just pass a little bit through because of their hair. But let me tell you, this sofa, we changed it. If you've seen in the past, I had a different sofa, a little bit similar, of the same color, just a little lighter. But this material, I love it. The hair doesn't go inside. I will put the link below in the description so you guys could check it out. I think it was a perfect price, and it's so comfortable. I like how deep it could go, and I've slept here. My husband has slept here because we're just so lazy to go upstairs because it's just that comfy. But I'm just gonna also pass a little bit of this to dust in the area, and also make sure you do this prior to vacuuming, because if you vacuum and then you clean around, you're gonna have to vacuum again because everything's gonna fall on the floor. So just a little tip about that.
Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold of me and won't let go. I've been sleeping.
For some reason, I just feel like this picks up more. But, you know, whatever you guys do best for your sofa, because it all depends with your sofa, I believe. See this? It is so hairy with all their dog hair, even my hair too.
Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Shot away.
These really cute, like they're like, I think they're called overhead lights, or I don't know, they're like wall art overhead lights. But they're super nice. They don't really have the gold that I want, because the gold that I have in the house, it's kind of like a champagne bronze gold. But I do have the spray paint. But for now, I'm just gonna keep it like this, and I'm gonna put it in the other room because I do want to do like a collage. You know what? Let me show you. I want to put this here above, and I already have like an inspo. Let me see if I find it. I'll put it on here. It's like a collage here with some art that we did purchase at the Disney's Epcot Festival of the Arts. And you know, Disney is our thing, so I felt like incorporating a little bit of Disney magic to some of the collage, and then also just family photos of us, our dogs. So I don't know, one of these days I'm gonna do this because it's gonna be a project. It kind of goes like, hold on, it goes like this. So I was thinking to here, like the two-tone gold with black. I don't want too much black around, but we'll see how it looks. If not, I'll just do the spray paint, because there are other items I do want to spray paint, but you know, that'll be for another day. So let's just get back to cleaning.
Won't let you touch me, won't let you go to my head. Cause I know I'm dealing with the devil. But I'm standing with my heart in your hand, and I'm too deep into win this gamble. Pull me towards you, and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything.
You guys see the lineup of things I need to wash. This one specifically, someone did pee pee in my bed, which Tiana, my little dog, has not done this since she was like a puppy. So I don't know if because she was in doggy daycare at Disney and maybe she peed everywhere, you know, but this was last night. So you already know how upset I was last night. And then we still have more. My laundry room has never looked this messy ever. And I mean ever. It's accumulation of so many things, but honestly, this laundry room also has potential. I really want to do something up here.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta.
Things are washing. Let's do the suitcase. This is last night. Look how we had to sleep because of Tiana. But anyways, let's do the suitcase. He's so open. I still can't believe he still hasn't even done it. I'm just shocked because he's the first one to do it. Which
That we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we
for your cords. I want to put it here on my nightstand. You can use it for like the desk or, you know, anywhere around the house. I have these other ones that you'll see on my husband's side, but I feel like they don't look as nice and they don't stick as good. But this one, not only that you stick it, you open this area and you put the cord in, and when it falls back, it just stays right. I'm gonna link these in my Amazon storefront. I'll put the link below in the description. You could also find my link on my social media, like my Instagram.
Our only gray. Look back at this summer night. This summer night. This summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We never need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause
I'm so tired. Ugh.
I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. 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 Someday we will look back, and our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night. This summer night. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This summer night. This summer night. Oh, this summer night.
We finished. It is now 6:30. Honestly, I think it's been one of those long days, but it's because I had a lot of big things to do. Usually I divide downstairs and upstairs, but I felt like there was just a lot of things that I wanted to just clean and do since we were on vacation. But I'm just glad that I was able to accomplish everything. Now I'm just gonna treat myself and I'm gonna shower so I could be on this couch and just watch TV and eat dinner. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys wanna see more of these type of vlogs, let me know, subscribe, and like this video if you liked it. See you on the next one. Bye.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and